Hey guys, happy Wednesday. So as soon as I'm done with this video, I want you guys to comment, and we want to hear if you guys are ready to start dreaming the impossible. Start thinking the impossible. I want to know if you guys are ready to take your business to the next level, to that leadership level. So, like we mentioned before, we're working with Lisa Fuller, which is just, I can't even tell you how excited I am to even have contact with her, because like I said, she has just always been on the highest pedestal for me in this business. So I just adore her so much. She is just the most amazing leader that, It Works. She's one of the most amazing leader that It Works has. So anyways, she has done this before. What we are planning on doing with you guys, she has done this before. It's a guaranteed system, you guys. And we are so lucky enough to have her working with us side by side on this. And if you guys are distributors now, I just want to let you guys know, when we're done with this, you guys are going to be diamonds. And those of you who are rubies, you guys are going to be double diamonds. This is a guaranteed plan, you guys. Lisa has done it before. She has had incredible success rate. And so we are so excited to do this with you guys. Caitlin, myself, and Jackie are just, we have not had this excitement. And I personally have not had this much excitement my entire time being a distributor. So I am losing sleep over this. I want to tell you guys so bad. I can't wait till a couple weeks where we can just spill the beans to you guys. But just know, start dreaming the impossible, because you guys, it is going to become the possible for you guys. It's going to become your guys' life, your reality. And we are so thankful that we can be a part of this and just watch you guys grow. So anyways, I hope that you guys all have a beautiful, beautiful Wednesday. I just want to say you guys are rocking it. And I love all the challenges that are coming out and everything that we're doing. There's so much stuff going on. So anyways, I hope you guys all have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.